$22 million in 3 fucking hours!
Huh? Are you serious right now, bro?
Made it way too long, I'm floating in and out of consciousness. I had someone tell me I fell off, ooh, I needed that.
That white monster turned me into a white monster. Oh, hold up, I'm gonna show y'all the sunset. Oh my god, that shit beautiful. We need to make it out the hood. By the title of the video, you know what we need to do. Let's bring in Bertha. That shit got hella glare on it, hold up. Bro, this monster.
$22 million in 3
1,067 days. We're gonna do that. Are we gonna make it legally? Probably not. Alright, why 67? 67 days until the new year. We have to make every single one of those days count and make $1 million.
Sound fair enough? Yeah, let's do it.
What is my why?
I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man.
Too rich everyone.
Question is this, was all this legal?
Fuck no. Breakdown. How much is $1 million in a day? Calculator. What does that say? Damn, who put that there? Oh, what does that say? Oh my god. 1 million divided by 6. $14,925 a day. Is that right? It doesn't fucking work. Unplug it and plug it back in. Who said that? Give him VIP. I think it actually worked. That's unrealistic. Mods, ban him. That's unrealistic. Who said that? Unrealistic? That's the whole point. We're trying to do something that's never done before. Well, it's probably been done before, but like, I haven't seen it. We need to do like a cut, like straight to like the credentials, you know? Like, oh. What's this? Huh? What's this?
Yeah, me. That's me. Oh, look at yourself. You look so cute. Look at you. You're so handsome. Oh, what's that? Your third leg.
Yo, I need to be putting up insane asylum. Why does everybody keep saying 6'7"? That shit is not that funny, guys. No, I should. Holy shit. Should we do a thumbnail right now?
Thank you.
Alright, think I can do it. We're gonna pop it all up on screen. Boom. Boom. And then like, boom. Type shit. Yeah. Good. I've done e-com, YouTube. I've done this right here, what I'm wearing. That's why we're gonna do it. And also, because I'm fucking delusional. It's schizo. As y'all seen, I've had 15K days. I just need to replicate it, do it for 67 days. Then, basically, I'm gonna make it to $1 million. Also, I'm Romanian. Oh my god, you're from the same country as Andrew Tate.
You know what I'm gonna do to you?
Yo, should I put like numbers for each set? The first 67 sets? Yeah, it's just not hype enough in here. That's sad. Oh, I think a battery just died. Battery. Put it in. How quick was that reload? Clip it, chat. I'm gonna solve every single problem that we come across. Damn, how the fuck am I gonna make $1 million? I can't even focus on... I can't even read. Look at this shit. Can y'all read that? What the... I did succeed at every single business that I've done, but I think that is also the problem. Why is that a problem? Instead of focusing on creating one really good business, I just kept on hopping from trend to trend, just like chasing the... What's it called? The fairies. I was chasing fairies and it worked. I was successful with it, but it just wouldn't last. It'd be like, oh, learn this new business for 6 months, finally make some bread, and then we would rotate to the next one, make some bread, and then don't make anything for 6 months. Instead of like doing that, I could have just been like, stick to one thing. Boom, career there. Why didn't y'all tell me to not do that? But now, with this, see this? This is a roadmap. It's like a treasure hunt type of thing. This entire challenge is going to be me building my personal brand. I need to like make that like cooler and something. It's me going all in on myself. Yeah, that's good. That's good. There's no way you're gonna hit $1 million. Do you know how much $1 million is?
Can you shut the fuck up?
Have you done what I did? don't think so. And maybe it sounds crazy, but the voices, they told me I can do it. Delusional? Maybe. Insane? I don't know. I think I'm pretty normal. I went from this. No, not a fucking M4. I went from this to this in 8 months. Cut straight to me being naked for like a split second. Let's put that away. This right here, this is the past. If you don't know what this is a time box. What is a time box? Basically, heaven on earth. I'm actually the fastest reader in the world too, so like...
I don't give a fuck.
What's this? I want y'all to see what is truly possible when you go all in on yourself. Developing your skills, getting better and better, failing over and over and over and over again. I don't go out, I don't party, I don't drink. Halloween, I'll probably be working. There's no money. There's sacrifices. Yeah, this guy, he's gonna make $1 million in 67 days. I want to push myself past my limits for y'all's enjoyment. And in the process, you'll probably learn something. Not at the rate of this video is going, but maybe you will one day. I know this video is a little extra. That's actually me. I'm a little insane. But that's what it takes. You gotta be a little bit in the head. I am going to be showing y'all the exact structure that I've learned over these years and show y'all in a fun and exciting way how you can make money, because money should be fun to make. It should be something that you're excited to do every day. Every single day, I'm going to give y'all a recap of what I'm going to be doing to actually achieve this. With every single week, there's going to be different things that are actually going to take us to the next level. I don't know what to call them, bro. It's a blueprint. It's a map. And we're going to get there because I'm Dora and I have the map. It's in here. I'm willing to do anything. I mean, anything to get. Oh, that's it. I need the M3 comp. Fucking idiot. Challenges, they're just stepping stones. You know, we're gonna figure it out. I literally dropped everything to do this. I need to go all in on myself. Here I am. What is this? Oh, today is day 1 of making $1 million in 67 days. At the end of this challenge, we're gonna put the day 1 and then like flashes of every single day. And that's gonna be, look at you. If I don't make $1 million in 67 days, I'm gay. I took off my hoodie to go shit and I realized I look like a sick cunt. So